One missing clause in your contract can cost your business millions, and most Pakistani companies forget it. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to discuss a very important topic. We are spotting a crucial contract term. Many businesses in Pakistan overlook it, the force majeure clause. When a disaster strikes, floods, political unrest, global pandemics, this one clause could shield between you and your business and a lawsuit. Let's unpack it. Legal analysis for majeure is the contractual provision that free parties from liabilities or obligations when extraordinary events prevent them from filling in Pakistan. While there is no statutory definition in contract, courts recognize this doctrine under section 56 of the Contract Act. This section addresses the frustration of a contract while an act becomes impossible to perform due to unforeseen circumstances. But without a written force majeure clause, relying solely on section 56 is a risky and open interpretation. And leading case of Pakistan Telecommunication Company versus IBC, the court emphasizes the explicit clauses in contract offer stronger protection than implied doctrines. Why it's missing? Many standard contracts in Pakistan, especially in smaller enterprises, relies on the templates that are present on the internet, and they do not have this important clause. So it's very important when you are drafting a contract, you should see whether this clause is present or not. It is very important to do any kind of negotiation, especially when there is an unhelpful circumstances occur. In Pakistan, there is a very small companies who consider this clause, but you should draft in every contract.